All right, we're here on this beautiful day, Chicagoland suburbs, 2 days after Thanksgiving. What do you think?
I'm cold.
Let's go sledding.
And we are having a snow day. And see, we're not skiing, we're sledding.
Time to go.
Time to go.
We're sledding. We're sledding.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Did you get a little snow in your face? Oh!
Think about my legs! I got mine.
You're lucky. I wish someone would pull me up here.
Oh, I can. I want to go that way.
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to go station before that way.
Oh, that's okay. Hey Mila.
What?
I think I'm supposed to keep you on a leash. Hey, out of the way!
Go! Ah! That was the jump.
I think Mace is dead.